Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, good evening. Good evening. Ma'am,
बेटा वेट करो 2 मिनट। आवाज नहीं आ रही मैम आपकी।
गुड इवनिंग।
मैम गुड इवनिंग।
हाँ
good
जी गुड
evening.
इवनिंग मैम, अब आ रही है। अब आ रही।
हेलो एवरीबॉडी।
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes.
Hi, ma'am.
Am I audible
Hello,
now?
ma'am.
Are you able to hear my voice now?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am. You're audible. Yes, ma'am.
Just give me 1 minute. There is some problem. Is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yesterday we did introduction.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, today we are going to do translation.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So you only get English to Hindi in your school exams, or you get Hindi to English and English to Hindi both?
Ma'am, both.
You get both. Okay, good. So today we are first going to start normal translation and then we will do idioms and phrases. Do you understand what are idioms and phrases? Anybody?
Ma'am, मुहावरे. Ma'am, yes.
आपने हिंदी में मुहावरे पढ़े हैं, आपने इंग्लिश में idioms और phrases पढ़े हैं अभी तक 6th क्लास में?
Ma'am, yes. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
किस किसने पढ़े हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just one. Ruhani, you are from which school?
Ma'am, फाजिल्का.
Okay.
विद्या मंदिर फाजिल्का.
तो फाजिल्का के तो और भी बच्चे हैं, आपके स्कूल के बाकी बच्चों ने क्यों नहीं पढ़े हुए? Okay. So you will raise your hand. मैं हिंदी में एक सेंटेंस बोलूंगी. You will raise your hand to answer. With the help of translation, we can learn tenses, the correct form of verb. और आप लोगों की जो प्रॉब्लम है ना कि हमें हिंदी में तो पता रहता है सही क्या है, इंग्लिश भी पता रहती है, बट हमारा सेंटेंस करेक्ट नहीं बनता. तो we will work on sentence formation and correction as well. Before that, I want to ask, what is a sentence? Who can tell me what is a sentence and the parts of a sentence? Yes, Garima?
Sentence is a set of words arranged in a manner to form meaning.
Very good. Who will tell me what are the parts of a sentence? Yes, Kavya?
The subject, object, verb.
Okay. Who else? Anybody wants to try? Asim, you want to try?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, Ruhani, you can try.
Means subject and predicate.
Yes, subject and predicate. Object and verb are a part of a sentence, but they are either a part of the subject or a part of the predicate. A sentence is a collection of words joined together with the help of verbs, adverbs to make a meaningful sentence. It consists of two things. One is the subject and the other is the predicate. Now, who will tell me what is a subject and what is a predicate? I am sure all of you have already studied it in class 6th. If you have not studied the subject and predicate, do tell me. I will cover it in detail. But if you have done it, we can revise it. Yes, Gartik?
Subject means the person who do work,
Okay.
and the predicate is the person will what the work is done by a person.
Okay.
Like my grandfather.
हाँ बच्चे ट्राई बोलो, सही बोल रहे हो.
Ma'am, 1 minute. My grandfather is very good person.
Very good. बट आपने मुझे ये कहा दैट अ पर्सन इज अ सब्जेक्ट, है ना. जो पर्सन होता है वो सब्जेक्ट होता है. अब मैं आपको गाते एक सेंटेंस देती हूँ, ठीक है. स्विमिंग इज अ गुड एक्सरसाइज. इसमें सब्जेक्ट क्या है और प्रेडिकेट क्या है?
Swimming is subject and is a good exercise.
हाँ, तो
predicate.
स्विमिंग तो, लेकिन बच्चे स्विमिंग तो पर्सन नहीं है ना, तो हम ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे कि सब्जेक्ट पर्सन होता है. सब्जेक्ट क्या
Okay.
होता है? द सब्जेक्ट टेल्स whom और what the sentence is about. It is the major object of the subject.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Garima?
Ma'am, subject is that which thing is talked about, and predicate is what is talked about.
Right. Yes, Ruhani?
When subject is, it is a part of a sentence which tell about us about who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate is a part of sentence which tell about something about the subject.
Right. So the predicate is most of the time a verb which tells something about the subject, and most of the time the subject is a noun. I am not saying this is the rule of subject and predicate, but in 99% of cases the subject will be a noun and the predicate would define something about the subject and would often be a verb.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we combine a subject and a predicate, they become a sentence. The subject is a noun or a pronoun, who or what it usually tells. And the predicate, it tells us about the subject, what it is or what it does. It would either be a verb or a helping verb. So to make a sentence, we need a subject, a predicate. A subject is a noun, a predicate is a verb. Along with subject and predicate, we need a few more things. Who will tell me what are those more things to complete the sentence? What else do we need in a sentence to make our sentence proper and correct?
मैम हेल्पिंग वर्ब.
हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स तो हो गया, प्रेडिकेट का ही पार्ट होता है. ओके, बट स्टिल यू आर राइट.
And tenses.
हाँ जी.
मैम सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट.
सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट तो हो गया ना बेटा, उसके अलावा एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है
पंक्चुएशन
में लैंग्वेज,
पंक्चुएशन
पंक्चुएशन. किसने बताया पंक्चुएशन?
अरिहंत
Very good. Yes, punctuation. Punctuation is very important. If you remember yesterday when I was listening to you, a few of you were running. बहुत जोर जोर से आंसर कर रहे थे. तो मैंने कहा था कि आंसर हमें पेशेंटली करना है, आराम से करना है, because the way we speak, it tells us there is a comma in between, there is a full stop. So when we write, similarly, we have to make sure we make proper use of punctuation. So a predicate will be an action or linking. What else do you know about predicates? Have you done compound subjects and compound predicates, or you have not done it?
no
We haven't done it.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. That is why I asked you, because in 6th class, I don't think you must have done compound subject and compound predicate. So tell me, if I say that Kavya and Ramanjot are attending the class today. Kavya and Ramanjot are attending the class today. What is the subject?
The Kavya and Ramanjot.
Kavya and Ramanjot
Kavya and Raman.
So exactly, when there are two or more subjects in the same sentence, it is called as a compound subject. Delhi and Mumbai are favorite destinations. What is the subject in this sentence?
Delhi and Mumbai.
So what kind of subject is it?
Compound
Compound subject.
It's a compound subject. So if a compound subject means use of two or more nouns, what does a compound predicate mean? You tell me now.
Sunita is Sunita is eating toffees and chocolates.
No.
Ma'am, Sunita is reading while Sushila is dancing.
Yes, this can be true. Kavya, what you said, eating is a predicate, eating a toffee is a predicate, but eating toffee and chocolates, they are the same things. Object will be the same. So when two or more verbs are used, or when two or more actionable things are used in a sentence, they are known as compound predicate. Like Sita is eating and drinking. Sita is drinking and reading. Got it? Understood?
Yes,
या फिर नहीं
ma'am.
समझ आया? Kavya,
Yes, ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम कंपाउंड प्रेडिकेट का मैम कोई सेंटेंस बता दो.
कंपाउंड प्रेडिकेट का बच्चे अभी तो बताया. सीता
Ma'am, जब
इज
मैं-
रीडिंग. देखो, जब दो चीजें एक साथ हो रही हो, जब दो लोग होंगे या दो चीज होंगी, तो वो कंपाउंड सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर दो एक्टिविटीज होंगी तो वो कंपाउंड प्रेडिकेट हो जाएगा. कंपाउंड वर्ब्स होंगे दो. ठीक है, जैसे कि खाना पीना एक साथ करना. सीता इज ड्रिंकिंग एंड ईटिंग. सीता इज वॉकिंग एंड टॉकिंग. जब एक से ज्यादा काम हो रहा हो, डिफाइन हो रही हो एक से ज्यादा चीज, तो वो होता है कंपाउंड प्रेडिकेट. एनी क्वेश्चंस इन सब्जेक्ट प्रेडिकेट?
No, ma'am.
All of you are clear about
No,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, who will tell me what is an object? Because all of you were telling me that the sentence consists of subject as well as object. Only 2 or 3 of you said predicate. So I want to know that how many of you have understood what is a predicate and what do you mean by object? Anybody? Kavya, you want to
Ma'am.
answer?
मैम ही शी
ही शी तो बच्चे प्रोनाउन हो गया, ही शी तो प्रोनाउन हो गया और वो सब्जेक्ट होगा, ऑब्जेक्ट कैसे हो जाएगा? पहले आप लोगों ने मुझे कहा था ना कि सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट और
जी,
ऑब्जेक्ट होता है. यस,
Ma'am, like he is playing football. Ma'am, football is object.
अच्छा फिर प्रेडिकेट क्या है?
The playing football.
ओके, एनीबडी एल्स? Kavya is absolutely right. An object is a noun that is having the action done to them. The boy is playing with the football. The subject is the boy. Playing the football is the predicate, but playing is the verb and football is the predicate. Football is the object. I'm sorry, football is the object. If I tell you a sentence, Roshni is cooking the cake. Roshni is cooking the cake. Tell me what will be the object in this?
मैम कुकिंग
Cake. वो noun, object noun होता है, वो noun जिनके साथ verb हो, actionable thing हो रही हो, लेकिन वो subject नहीं है. They are not the thing that is being talked about majorly in the sentence. My dog is eating cookies. What is the object?
Cookies.
Yes. The waitress brought the food.
Ma'am, food.
Food.
Okay, in the same sentence, now the sentence that I will speak, the waitress brought the food. Tell me what is the subject?
Ma'am, brought the food.
Food किसने
Ma'am, the
बोला?
waitress.
तो अगर हम इस सेंटेंस को लेंगे, the waitress brought the food, the waitress is the subject, brought the food is the predicate. What is the verb in it?
Brought.
The brought.
Yes, and what is the object? And what is the object?
Ma'am, food.
Yes. अब आप ये नहीं सोचोगे कि मैम इतनी सारी चीजें एक साथ करवा रही हैं. मैं इतनी सारी चीजें एक साथ करवा रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि ये सारी चीजें आपको आती हैं, बट आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो. हमें अपनी कंफ्यूजन दूर करनी है. She will need some advice. इसमें मुझे नाउन बताओ क्या है?
Ma'am, advice.
Yes. Very good. Very good. और एडवाइस क्या है इसमें सेंटेंस के उसमें कंटेक्स्ट में? सब्जेक्ट है, प्रेडिकेट है या फिर ऑब्जेक्ट है?
Object.
और प्रेडिकेट क्या है?
Needs advice.
Will need the advice.
Will need
Needs
some
the
advice is the predicate. And what is the pronoun?
She.
Ma'am, she.
Ma'am,
And what is the subject?
She.
Ma'am,
Very
she.
good. And what is the subject?
She.
Ma'am, she.
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 Yes. So the teacher distributed the homework. Tell me the object.
Ma'am, home.
Homework.
Homework.
The noun,
The
Teacher.
the teacher.
Teacher.
Homework is the object. Distributed, the homework is the predicate. Distributed is the verb. The teacher is the noun. The is the article. And how many types of articles are there?
three types.
Three types.
What are the three types of articles?
And
Okay. So sometimes we say the and sometimes we say the. Do you all know the difference between the pronunciation of THE, where the is used and where the is used? Yes, Arihant, tell me. Yes, you tell me.
जब द के आगे कोई वोवल वाला वर्ड हो
जब द के आगे कोई वॉवल वाला वर्ड हो तो वो दी बन जाता है. वेरी गुड. आप सबको पता है ये बात?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good.
Ma'am.
So that is
No,
why
ma'am.
we see. Okay. So नहीं, आप चाहते हो मैं repeat करूं? If you have not understood, I can explain it to you. That
Yes.
a and the. These are the three types of article. But the is used in two types. It has two pronunciation. One is the and the second one is the. So where is the used and where is the used? The is used normally with words which are not vowels or anything. But the is pronounced and used when the word with which we are using the starts with a vowel. It is for a particular place or a thing. The United States of America. The umbrella. Would you like to give me some examples? Try thinking in your mind for 10 seconds and then give me some examples. Where do we use the and where do we use the?
The ice cream.
Yes, the ice cream. Good.
Ma'am, the principal.
The principle
The
is correct, but we are trying to use the, Asim.
Ma'am, the uniform.
The uniform is correct.
The Union Cabinet.
Yes.
Ma'am, the apple. The IAS officer.
An IAS officer. अब इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि अगर दी हमने वॉल के साथ लगाना है तो किसी के साथ भी लगा देंगे. जिसके साथ लगेगा उसी के साथ लगाएंगे ना.
Ma'am, the auditorium.
Please.
Yes, the auditorium is correct.
Ma'am, the Eiffel Tower.
The Eiffel Tower is right.
Ma'am, the Indian Gate. An apple instead of the apple.
Right.
The water tank.
Ma'am, the
Okay,
elephant.
water tank is not a wall. Yes. Think.
Ma'am, the ostrich.
Yes, the ostrich is correct.
And the ink pot. The flamingo.
Okay. So more or less you have understood, right? I will be doing all these things in detail as well. We are just taking an overview and we are revising things. So now I want one of you to speak a sentence in Hindi and others will translate it in English. Anybody raise your hand who wants to speak a sentence in Hindi? For 10 minutes now, we are going to do translation. Yes, Ruhani?
वह अपना काम कर चुकी है.
Raise
Ma'am,
your
may I?
hands who want to answer. No, Kavya, no. I will ask you. Let others also answer. Why do I see only 5 or 6 hands raised always in the class? I remember the names of all the students who answer. Why few people just prefer to write it in the chat box and are shy of speaking in the class. Ramanjot. Ramanjot. Arman.
Ma'am, yes.
Ramanjot, answer what she questioned. Start speaking in the class, because you write absolutely correct in the chat box. Whatever answers I have been reading for the few days, you answer very quickly and you answer correctly, but you do not participate in the class. Translate the question that she put. Ruhani, can you repeat the sentence?
She has been worked. She has
वह
been
अपना काम कर चुकी है.
And now speak. वो अपना काम कर चुकी है.
she had done his work.
Okay. Arman.
Ma'am, yes.
Answer. वो अपना काम कर चुकी है. Okay, Zahira.
She, ma'am,
She did
हाँ,
her
अरमान
work.
बोलो. अरमान बोलो.
she done her work.
Okay. हाँ, Zahira आप बोलो.
She has done her work.
Okay. Yes, Garima.
Ma'am, she has done her work.
Good. She has done her work. वो अपना काम कर चुकी है. She has done her work. वो अपना काम खत्म कर चुकी है. अपना काम खत्म कर चुकी है. Yes, Kavya.
She has finished his work. She has finished her work.
Her work. Yes, that's correct. मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. परमप्रीत.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Deepti.
Ma'am, may
Ma'am,
I?
I am so hungry.
I am so hungry. नहीं, ये गलत है.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, yes, yes,
Ma'am, may
yes.
I?
Yes, no, Prince, yes.
I am very hungry.
Okay. Who
Ma'am, may
else? Kavya?
May I? Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Kavya?
may I, Kavya?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am feeling very hungry.
Yes, very good. मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है. I am feeling very hungry. और I am starving. मैं भूख से मरे जा रही हूँ. इसकी इंग्लिश होगी I am starving. Who wants to speak a Hindi sentence now? I will name a person who will speak a Hindi sentence. Ishmanjot Singh.
मैम यस
Speak
वह
a
खेल
Hindi
रहा
sentence.
यस मैम
Yes.
वह
Okay.
खेल रहा है
Who will answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
May
Arihant.
I?
Yes, Arihant.
He is playing.
Very good. मैं जिससे नहीं पूछती हूँ ना, मुझे पता रहता है उसको आंसर पता है, इसलिए मैं नहीं पूछती हूँ.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, yes.
He is playing.
Very good. He is playing. वह खेल रहा है. He is playing. वह सिर्फ खेलता है.
Ma'am,
He
may I?
only plays.
Ma'am, may I?
May I?
Yes.
He only plays.
He was only playing.
नहीं बच्चे, ये
He
he was
only
only playing
plays.
किसने बोला?
Ma'am, he just plays.
He just plays. Yeah, he only plays and does nothing else. he just plays. ठीक है, अगर ये होता वह अब खेलने जाएगा.
Ma'am, may I?
No, sorry
Good.
Kavya, I can't allow you so many times. I know you know the answer. Let others also try.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, repeat the question.
वह खेलने जाएगा.
Ma'am, he just go to play.
He
Ma'am,
will
may I
go
tell?
to play.
May I?
Yes, yes, Gartik.
Ma'am, may I?
He will go to play. Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
वह खेल चुका है. Answer this.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ananya,
He
you
has
answer.
played.
Ma'am, may
Yes.
I?
May I?
I will ask you with your names to everybody.
Ma'am, may I?
गरिमा, गरिमा,
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे पेंटिंग करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
I love to paint.
मुझे पेंटिंग करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I love to paint or I like painting very much.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
Ma'am, I like painting very much.
yes, very good. Okay, Kavya,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell me one idiom in Hindi and then translate it to English on your own. I am not going to give you any question. You frame your question and your answer. Tell me one idiom in Hindi. एक मुहावरा हिंदी में बोल के उसकी इंग्लिश करो.
Ma'am, one idiom I know.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, बोए पेड़ खजूर के आम कहाँ से पाओ?
And what is the English
So-
of it?
As you sow, so shall you reap.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Riddhi, the same is for you. You also give me one idiom in Hindi and translate it to English.
Okay.
Till the time Riddhi is thinking, Ruhani, your turn.
Ma'am, may I give one more idiom?
No, no, let others also try. I will give you a chance tomorrow.
Ma'am, may I get 2 minutes?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so your homework for today is, I'm not giving you much of your homework because I know you have your school classes also. So today what you are going to do, many of you must be having English newspapers at home. In case you do not have, you have a mobile phone, read the news. And from the news, don't try to read the news, try to find 5 new words so that you can improve your vocabulary. Write the words, and if you do not get the meaning, ask the meaning to me tomorrow in the class. And also write 5 idioms. 5 मुहावरे आप लिखोगे जिसकी इंग्लिश आपको नहीं पता है और आप कल मेरे से क्लास में पूछोगे. Okay?
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
health is wealth.
Okay, ma'am.
Health is wealth.
So we will end the class now and we will
Okay,
meet
ma'am.
tomorrow
Please
at the same
repeat the
time.
homework. Your voice was
Ma'am,
not
may I
clear.
tell? Ma'am, may I
Kavya,
tell
I will
one
give you
idiom?
a turn tomorrow. I have a next class. I will end up the class now. Good night, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.
मैम मुझे लगता है ये कल क्लास नहीं है इंग्लिश की.
अच्छा कल फ्राइडे.
हाँ टाइम टेबल नहीं है मंडे से
हाँ हाँ ठीक है
ट्यूसडे.
ठीक है हाँ ट्यूसडे ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है.
मैम, हमारे घर पे न्यूज़पेपर आते हैं, उसमें से कर सकते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल कर सकते हो. तो
Ma'am,
नेक्स्ट
please
क्लास
repeat
में
the homework.
हम इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे.
Good night. Can I give a
Good night.
idiom?
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, ma'am.